I'm trying to cross-reference an oil filter for a LS tractor 40,318,591 40,409,065. Wanted to use Briggs and Stratton and I don't know WHT number.
When did you last clean or perform maintenance on your Briggs and Stratton tractor? How old is it?
Answer to both is about a year ago.
What have you tried so far with your Briggs and Stratton tractor?
Coming up empty.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Does Briggs and Stratton make an oil filter for this model?
Hello, my name is. I am going to assist you with this. B&S does not make an oil filter that will cross to yours.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.